Hi everyone, this is Mizan from the Huddle01 team, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how you can use our audio spaces. So once I go to Huddle01.app, which is my personal dashboard, I can either start an instant audio space by clicking on this button right here, or I can schedule one for the future. Let me quickly do that by clicking on the schedule button on the right side. Make sure to select the audio spaces option over there. I'm just going to give it a test title. I'm going to schedule it for today at 6 p.m. I can select the duration of the space, and I've already added myself as the host over here. That's all I need to do, and I can schedule it by clicking on this button. Once that's done, it'll show up in my upcoming events over here, and I can also join it before 6 p.m. to see if things are working as I expected. So once I click on the join button, I can select my name over here. So I'm gonna call myself the host, and I'm gonna join the space from here. Now once I'm in the audio space, I have a few host controls that I'm going to be showing y'all in a minute. But before that, I'm going to join as a speaker from a different tab. So from a different tab, I'm going to join. I'm going to enter my name as guest, and I'll join the space from here. Now if I go back to the host view, I'll be able to see that the new guest has joined as a listener over here. As a listener, I can request to speak in the space by clicking on the request to speak button over here. When I click on this button, I can send a request, and on the host side, I'll get the request from the guest. When I accept that request, the guest has become a speaker. Now I can unmute my mic as a guest and even speak inside the audio space. I can also leave the speaker role by clicking on this button, and I'll be demoted back to a listener. I don't have the mic option anymore. As a host, I can also invite the listener as a co-host or as a speaker myself. So I'm going to invite the guest as a co-host over here, and if I go back to my guest tab, I'll be able to see that I've been invited to be the co-host of the audio space. When I accept that, again my role is updated to co-host, and I can speak and also invite other people and manage the space. So once I'm the co-host, I'll see the host controls button over here, which allows me to control the overall settings of the room. Our audio spaces can support up to 10,000 concurrent listeners, so it's the perfect option for hosting online seminars or large calls, community calls and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.